how to bring CAD drawings Topo in Revit by going through 3ds Max and create as a body object. First, you're gonna want to clean the CAD drawing as much as possible to remain with only the polylines from which we want to create the topo. Some of the lines here, the polylines, they don't have the proper elevation, so you want to get rid of them before you create the topo. Here I have the same drawing, clean it, let's say. I still need to get rid of the signs of the poles, everything that I don't want to use. After that you can save it as CAD drawing and open 3ds Max and import it. This is what you're gonna see, and this is what I'm gonna use to create the topo from. To be faster, I'm gonna select only this area and create the topo. So now that I clean the rest of the drawing, select everything, go to create, select compound object, terrain. This is our terrain. You can add more details by interpolating the points up to 4 times. You can use the same workflow from Civil 3D and bring it here before creating as a 3D object, as a 3D body object. So go to modify, select the object, and now is the terrain. You're gonna want to edit and change it to editable poly. Now you'll be able to use these tools. Select boundary, select the object. This will select the boundary of the object, and you're gonna hold shift and drag down to create this extrusion. Hold Control and select vertex. This will select all the vertices that the boundary was formed. Use Align to Z to align all the vertices to the same elevation. And now hold Control and click on the boundary again to select the boundary, and select cap to fill the cap in the hole. Now if you want to select the object again with the boundary, you'll not be able because the object is fill. There are no holes to select, no boundary. Now you're gonna want this object to bring it in Revit. To do this, you want to change it from a 3D object that is empty inside, as you can see here, to object that is fill inside. Select the object, body object. Now it's a 3D object ready for Revit. Export the select one. You're gonna want to select and save it as a SAT object. Yes, successful. I'm gonna go in Revit, compound, model in place, site, and inside you're gonna insert this object. Look for SAT, type, open. If you don't see it, double click the middle mouse go to 3D. This is our object. You can change it to realistic so you can see it better. Okay, and now you can cut the section through this object because it's a fill object, as you can see. So this is pretty much the workflow from AutoCAD to 3ds Max and Revit.